Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and I'm bringing you another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Let's find out. Ready, set, go! Alright, my clock has started. I'm starting out with everything from Dollar Tree. I've got these little wooden containers, and I found these little lanterns over in the garden section, and some black acrylic paint and 4 little wooden beads. Ta-da! They're all painted black, but I do have to go back and show you that I hot glued the little wooden beads on the bottom. Next, I didn't really like the inside of the lantern. I just wanted to make the little candle pop a little bit, so I just added some black paint around both of the candles inside. Oh, I have 10 seconds left and I'm ready to put it all together. I can't hot glue them down, but they sit on there perfectly because you have to be able to turn the lantern on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, they're done. I love how they turned out, and the square one looks like it was made for that lantern. It fits perfectly on there. And then I just stacked the 2 round ones together. I also added a buffalo check ribbon on top. I thought it needed a little bit something more, but you can add any ribbon that you like or just leave it without. I love the way they look both ways, and I hope you enjoyed it too. I'm so glad you tuned in to today's 60-second DIY. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.